Hey guys, what's going on? It's been a minute. I've been working. I've been trying to get other things going on. But my bones came in a while ago. I actually would have made a video a little sooner had I not accidentally sliced one of my motor wires. And the motors that I had on there were pretty much some antiques. They didn't make them anymore. I tried to find them, couldn't find them. So I just ordered another set. I ended up getting some T-motor, 2207, 1750 KVs. Pretty white and purple. And one of the homies printed out all kinds of stuff for me, all kinds of protectors. I got the GoPro mount on there with the bones. Ugh, I can't wait to fly this today. That's where we're about to go. So I just wanted to do a little intro video for you guys, let you know we are going out to fly today. I will be sending you guys some video via this video. So please just sit back, enjoy, and let's see what kind of dope footage we can get with this. We're going to a little spot we call the Oasis. It's got a lot of stuff going on, so it should be a good day. I got my Moxie in the car with me. I also have my Quad Mala 2.5 in the car with me. I got a bunch of new printouts for that as well. I'll show you guys that before the end of this video. And yeah, I think I went over this with you guys. Speedy Bee Bluetooth flight controller, Caddex Vista back there. What are we on? The RP1 on the, what's it called? The ELRS. And then, yeah, GoPro bones up front with the GNB 1550 6S batteries. And I actually got a 6S 1800 milliamp as well to try just for the event I'm doing in October. I need a little bit more flight time, and I think I want to use my 7-inch. I'm not sure. Still haven't decided, but bear with me. We're gonna get out to the spot. We're gonna fly. We'll see you guys in a second. Peace.
We gonna light like a sun, shining the night away. We burn the past and the fire. I know it will be okay. We gonna light like a sun, moving as one, shining the night away. We stand in the silence and worries just fade away. And this fire that burns inside, a million voice with just one line. We see a sign, a million hearts from 1,000 miles. We're running along through the streets, rising in tides. We gonna be the city, nothing we call us the cold for crumbling empire. We gonna be the city lights. We gonna take back the summer and spend this long night awake. Let it be the drama, our heartbeats will start us way. We're gonna light like a sun, moving as one, shining the night away. And we stand in the silence and worries just fade away. And this fire that burns inside, a million voices in the same line. From
Hey guys, thanks for watching the flight. I had a little crash today. I want to show you guys that now. Flying my quad model 2.5, just working on some inverted rotations. Kind of overpowered it while I was inverted, and by the time I leveled back out, there was a ground. So I'll put that up here in the video as well. Well, but flying the Apex with GoPro on it, that GoPro is only 60 grams, so it really didn't feel like it was there. Everything was still super floaty, everything was still super quick. This video that you watched is probably my favorite run. That's on the 6S 1550, and then I did some cruising around on my 1800 6S, but I wasn't really satisfied with what I got out of flight time in comparison to the 1550s. It really wasn't that big of a difference, and it might be because they weren't stored properly. I hadn't used them in a long time. Maybe I have to cycle through them again or something like that, but they didn't perform like I liked. So I think I'm gonna end up getting a couple big boys like 3,000, 4,000 milliamp. I might grab a lithium ion or one or two of them for the event I have going on in October. I just wanna kinda have like 10, 15 minutes of flight time on the 7-inch. Chase some drift cars with that. That'll be super fun, super manageable. But yeah, the Apex flew great. I loved it. The T-motors that I put on there, the 1750s, they felt great. And what I didn't mention earlier, as I almost dropped this, Moxie. So I'm going to be converting this to a 6S. So I actually ordered a set of the MEP motors, the MEPS out of China. They've been advertising as $10. I was like, so I got to try it. Ordered a set of those. They actually got returned back to sender. And so I ordered these what's it called, T-motors, just kind of because I knew I could get them quick from Pyrodrome. So I got those ordered, got those in. So now I'm going to convert this 5-inch into a 6S. And that means I'm going to have a bunch of 4S motors I have to do something with. So I think I'm going to repurpose them by building a 3.5-inch, something that can I'll just run an XT60 on a 3.5-inch and have a good time. So man, I had a good time today with the boys. I didn't really like filming around the guys. Like, we're just out there having a good time on a Saturday. So I just wanted to include one of the flights and some of the footage from my flight earlier while I was out there with the guys. So yeah, man, thank you for checking out the video. I hope you liked the flight. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have some more stuff coming. I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace.